Hello, ChoroQ fans. As is commonplace, I'm reviewing another Skyline. In this case, my favorite body style, the Hakosuka. And I picked up this one here loose. It's a black one. And so we have some images. And it's running these, uh, they're not Watanabe wheels, I think they're called. They look like mini lights. Yeah. So you can see Choro's shrunken it quite a bit. Granted, I think this Choro is a 4-door. I just pulled up. Well, when I look for black Hakosuka, apparently they're all coupes. So, at least the headlight area looks the same. That's going to have to do for today. Alright, so starting with the headlights here. Yeah, we got 4 headlights, and the silver is nicely printed. And this is interesting. It doesn't say GTR. It says N for Nissan. I've never seen that. I've never seen an N just on a Nissan. I don't know if this is made up or what, but I guess. And then, I don't know, maybe that's supposed to say GTR. License plate thing, but no actual printing. It looks like there might be silver here. Maybe those are like the turn signals. Yeah, according to the photos. Nice texture here. Little ribbing there. Alright, pretty glossy black paint going on in this clear body here. Some vent details. Sorry, I gotta back out. It's getting a little too close. There's a spring motor, and it's got some printed on windscreen wipers. So these are pullback toys. This is a coin holder here. This is from some sort of collector's book called by Nico Publishing or Neko Publishing, and it's #1 in their collector's book series. I think they had a green Mazda RX-3 or something, but I could be mistaken. Taillights are nicely printed. I don't know what this PMCS is, but it's very common on the racing Hakosukas. Some sort of sponsorship. The wheels are very fitting, of course, although these are like a bronze instead of black, but you can actually see them better. What else? What else? On this side, they're pretty much mirror images. Alright. How old is this guy? This is from 2004. Standard construction of a screw in front and a tab in the back. I think I'm just going to leave it alone. You know, I could lower it with poster putty, but because it's all black, it doesn't look so bad, the gappiness. So that's it. Let's look at a few other Skylines. So I have a bunch of Skylines, of course. Here's a 4-door racing version. I can't remember when I reviewed this if this 39 was a real racing car. Probably was. I mean, it's this sports car set from the 70s, so here's a coupe again. It's got that PMCS #6. I think I 3D printed these mini lights or Watanabe wheels on this thing. Here's just a regular street version of a coupe, though. It's got nice printing, though. Look at the back pillar here. It's got the S logo. Really cool. Something on the bumper. Oh, it's from the JST boat collection. That's why. So I have extra printing there. All right. Here's a black Ford. No, another coupe of a 2000 I forget. It just says Skyline, but I don't know what kind. And I think this is from Seibu Keisatsu, which is a crazy car chase TV show. So it's got all these weird like guns and lights and stuff on it. And then ChoroQ Zero, which is the current high-end line of ChoroQs, they have another Seibu Keisatsu thing. It's this Skyline GT. Does not really. Oh, 2000 GT. There's a Z55 in the Zero collection. Nice and black. I added. Nope. That license plate I didn't add. That's from the TV show itself. So that's accurate to a car in this TV show. Alright. So I like a Skyline in any color. But there's something nice and sinister about these black ones. You know, they're bad, but in a good way. So we got Darth Vader here. This looks like Darth's car. Pullback toy. It had some energy. That's the problem with rolling models or rolling toys. I could not find any images of a 4-door that was black. It's just silver or gray, it seems. Alright, well, thank you for watching today. I'll see you in the next Choro vid. Bye.